Hello friends. How are you? Welcome to my channel laddutricks. In this video I'll show you how to see the deleted WhatsApp messages. For that you need to go to the Play Store. Or then type and search for laddutricks application. After successful installation, open the application. Press on Next twice. Select on Allow the access to the notification. Click on Next and allow the laddutricks option. Next do the same. And wait. Press Next. Here you can see various applications installed in your phone. Unselect all and select WhatsApp. Allow the laddutricks option. Come back. Next go to battery saver and select no restrictions. Then come back. Then enable the auto start. Then close all applications. Next open the installed laddutricks application. Go to settings. And only select WhatsApp. As I have two WhatsApp apps in one phone as you can see. Open WhatsApp app in one phone and text or message to another WhatsApp installed phone. And delete it as everyone. As you can see in other phone as the message was deleted. Minimize all apps. Then open laddutricks application. Then here you can see the magic. As the message which was deleted is visible here. That's all. Hope you enjoyed my video. Hit like, comment and share. And if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified in every update from laddutricks. Have a nice day. Goodbye.